Do you want more money to come into your life? If you said yes, then you need to watch this video. In this video we're going to cover 2 powerful techniques to manifest more money into your life. Creating a clear vision of the financial abundance you desire is so critical if you want to make it a reality. Our thoughts create our experiences. So we need to train our minds to align with wealth and prosperity. That is why you need to use visualization techniques to manifest money. Visualizing your financial goals is very important if you want to make them a reality. Our minds are incredibly powerful, and what we focus on expands. So we need to train our brains to see ourselves already having the wealth and abundance we desire. One great way to do this is by creating a vision board. Take a poster board and start cutting out pictures and words from magazines that represent the money and financial freedom you want to have. This could be pictures of your dream car, your dream house, vacations you want to take, or whatever represents wealth to you. Place these images and words on your board in a way that feels good to you. Hang your vision board somewhere you'll see it often, like by your bed or desk. Take time each day to really visualize yourself already having these things. Imagine what it feels like to already be wealthy and living your dreams. The more real you make it in your mind, the quicker you'll start attracting those experiences. Meditation is another powerful visualization technique. During your regular meditation practice, take 5-10 minutes to visualize having unlimited money and your financial goals met. Picture checks coming in the mail, your bank account balance rising, and you effortlessly paying for the lifestyle you want. Feel the emotions you'd feel if this was your reality now. When you repeatedly impress these visualizations on your subconscious mind, it starts aligning your thoughts and actions to create that reality. What you think and believe becomes your experience. So make sure you're picturing yourself already being wealthy now. If you want to really master using the power of your mind to manifest money, make sure to click the link in my description. It will take you to the Wealth DNA Code program where you will get access to in-depth techniques to reprogram your mind and attract abundance. This program has changed many lives and I know it can do the same for you. So start working on your vision board, practice visualization meditations daily, and be sure to like and subscribe for more videos about manifesting the life of your dreams. The power is within you to create whatever you desire, including financial freedom. See you in the next video.